What constitutes like an entry with inspection, Maria? Because that's something that I think is always kind of hard.
Absolutely. So there are certain elements. If you went through a actual border checkpoint and were passed through, you were admitted into the United States. Sometimes even we can demonstrate that that admission was by fraud. Certainly, there's a waiver that would be needed, and that could hinder your application in the future. But if that happened to be the situation, but you could actually say, I crossed through the border, or I passed with a border crossing card, or I passed with my own visa, then all of those are considered admissions. And even in some cases, we can demonstrate that what we call a wave through can be a lawful admission. I just had a case today or this week that the client was in a car, asleep as a child when the car went through the border, and the officer basically didn't ask any questions, waved through at an actual checkpoint. And so that can be argued that that was a lawful entry. There's case law that says that that can constitute a lawful entry. And so even if it was so long ago, you were a child, you're not sure exactly how you came in, giving us those details when you call are going to help us ask the follow-up questions to determine if you have that lawful entry. So if you have DACA or TPS and know you came in undocumented or across the border, come and talk to us, because if you have a reason to travel and are approved for that travel authorization, you might be able to follow that path to adjustment of status.